The Hyundai Tucson is about to undergo its biggest transformation yet, and several owner complaints may finally be on the chopping block. A tougher body, smarter controls, genuine off-road hardware, smoother hybrid power, and even a possible 300 horsepower N model could push this compact SUV into new territory. Ignite your engines, you're on the grid with Motor Maven. But not every leaked detail is confirmed, and pricing could still make or break the redesign. So, which upgrades are real, which remain speculation, and which could embarrass the competition? Here are the 6 changes that could redefine the 2027 Hyundai Tucson. Number 6. Art of Steel. The Tucson's bold new shape emerges. The current Tucson's hidden lighting and sharp parametric creases made it distinctive, but some owners found the design overly busy. Prototypes indicate Hyundai is changing direction with a taller, squarer body, flatter sides, stronger shoulders, and more defined wheel arches. Its emerging Art of Steel philosophy favors cleaner surfacing, a vertical nose, geometric lighting, and a clamshell-style hood. Beyond appearance, straighter glass and an upright roof could improve headroom, rear visibility, and cargo usability. Hyundai must still control aerodynamic drag and wind noise, but this tougher silhouette may broaden the Tucson's appeal without sanding away its personality in crowded showrooms. But reshaping the sheet metal is only the beginning, because Hyundai may be making an even more important correction inside the cabin. Number 5. Pleos Connect. Hyundai ends the touchscreen control war. Inside, Hyundai appears focused on reducing the touchscreen frustration reported by current owners. The upcoming Pleos Connect platform could introduce a large central display, separate digital gauges, over-the-air updates, split-screen capability, and a smartphone-inspired interface. Reported screen sizes remain unconfirmed, but the software itself is real. Glio AI may also enable natural voice commands for navigation, media, and climate functions, reducing menu hunting while driving. Crucially, physical knobs and buttons are expected to remain for common tasks. Add improved storage, wireless charging, supportive seats, and a cleaner console, and the Tucson could become far easier to operate every single day. Smarter controls would improve every commute, but the next change could determine whether the Tucson can finally venture beyond pavement with genuine confidence. Number 4. XRT Pro. Hyundai gives rugged styling real bite. Earlier Tucson XRT trims looked adventurous, but relied heavily on dark accents, special wheels, and roof rails rather than serious off-road equipment. New prototypes suggest Hyundai may finally add substance. Test vehicles have appeared with all-terrain tires, XRT-branded wheels, red recovery hooks, and a more purposeful stance. Increased clearance, revised suspension tuning, underbody protection, and terrain modes are possible, though none are confirmed. Key questions involve lift height, skid plates, approach angles, drive settings, and on-road comfort. If Hyundai delivers functional hardware instead of decorative armor, the XRT Pro could genuinely challenge wilderness, woodland, and trail sport rivals in this segment. And if real trail capability already sounds like a major departure, the next possibility could transform the Tucson from a practical crossover into something no driving enthusiast expected. Before we reveal the potential 300 horsepower surprise, hit the like button and subscribe to Motor Maven. Your support helps us bring more automotive breakdowns to enthusiasts like you. And the top 3 changes may be the biggest reasons yet to keep watching. Now, let's shift into a higher gear and uncover the Tucson's wildest performance possibility. Number 3. Tucson N. Hyundai's 300 horsepower family SUV goes wild. A genuine Tucson N would be far more than an N-line appearance package. Reports suggest Hyundai has evaluated a turbo hybrid, all-wheel drive version producing more than 300 horsepower, supported by stronger brakes, sharper steering, upgraded cooling, firmer suspension, and performance software. Electric torque, could deliver immediate response, while the turbocharged engine sustains power at speed. The engineering challenge is weight, because hybrid hardware can dull steering, braking, and body control. Hyundai has not confirmed production, output, markets, or timing, so caution remains essential. Still, a properly developed Tucson N could blend weekday practicality with genuine backroad excitement for adventurous families. Yet performance is only one side of the electrified equation, because Hyundai's more realistic hybrid upgrade could matter to far more owners every day. Number 2. New hybrid. Smoother power targets the 40-mile-per-gallon crown. The next hybrid system could solve complaints about hesitation, vibration, and awkward transitions between electric and gasoline power. Hyundai's newer two-motor architecture separates engine starting and generation from propulsion and regenerative braking, promising smoother engagement, quicker response, and cleaner shifts. A turbocharged 1.6-liter hybrid is expected, with reports suggesting roughly 235 horsepower, about 280 pound-feet of torque, and fuel economy approaching 40 miles per gallon, although U.S. figures remain unconfirmed. Smart regenerative braking could adapt to traffic and road conditions, while vehicle-to-load capability may power equipment. A longer-range plug-in hybrid is also possible, but reported global range estimates require caution. Smoother power and stronger efficiency could make the Tucson more appealing, but every one of these improvements depends on Hyundai clearing one final and potentially dangerous hurdle. Number 1. Price and arrival. Hyundai's biggest gamble comes last. Pricing may determine whether Hyundai's redesign becomes a breakthrough or an expensive missed opportunity. The next Tucson is scheduled for a South Korean reveal later in 2026, with North America expected to follow for the 2027 model year. However, Hyundai has not confirmed U.S. timing, trims, arrivals, or pricing. The current gasoline model starts below $30,000 before destination, while the hybrid begins higher. A modest increase seems reasonable, but a sharp jump could send buyers toward the RAV4, CR-V, Forester, Sportage, or cheaper rivals. Gasoline and hybrid models will likely arrive before specialized XRT Pro or N variants. That means the Tucson's transformation may already look convincing on paper, but its final verdict will depend on whether Hyundai can deliver these upgrades without sacrificing the value that attracted buyers in the first place. Final verdict: the 2027 Tucson could rewrite the segment. The 2027 Hyundai Tucson could become the model's most important reinvention from Hyundai yet, directly addressing complaints about busy styling, touchscreen frustration, limited trail capability, uneven hybrid refinement, and a lack of genuine enthusiast appeal. Its boxier proportions and redesigned cockpit appear highly plausible, while the next-generation hybrid and tougher XRT Pro could deliver the biggest improvements in everyday ownership. A full Tucson N remains the most exciting possibility, but it is also the least certain. Ultimately, pricing will decide whether Hyundai has built a segment leader or simply another expensive compact SUV. Now we'd like to hear from you. Would these changes persuade you to choose the Tucson over the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, Subaru Forester, or Kia Sportage? Which upgrade would matter most in your own driving experience today? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the latest vehicle updates and upcoming videos from Motor Maven. If you thought the 2027 Hyundai Tucson was impressive, wait until you see the next vehicles we're covering. Tap one of the videos on your screen right now and keep the automotive adventure going with Motor Maven. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.